So find a comfortable posture. Take a deep breath. Exhale. And now, with each out breath, relax all your muscles, starting from your head and going slowly down to your feet. You can take a few deep breaths just to regulate and find that relaxation that goes with the out breath, and then allowing your breath to take its natural rhythm. Try to release those areas of your body where you normally accumulate tension, stress, pain. Usually the area around our eyes, our jaw, shoulders, neck, different parts of the back, the colon. So try to relax all those areas with the out breath, sending all the weight, all the effort to the cushion. And then from there to your legs and your feet, grounding in the earth, letting go all that physical tension, all that tiredness and stress of the day. And remember, with each out breath, releasing a little more, finding that stillness of the body where it feels comfortable, but vigilant, relaxed, but attentive. If you feel sleepy, try to keep your spine straight. That will help. And your eyes a little bit open so that there's some light coming in. And if you feel very agitated, distracted, nervous, then relax deeper and deeper with the out breath. Let your body relax completely. And once you find that posture of balance, of relaxation, then become aware of whatever perceptions are arising in your 5 sensory fields, such as sounds, tactile sensations, and all the others. If you can detect any smells or tastes, just be aware also of that. And allow everything to arise and pass. And you become more and more present, resting in that open presence without grasping or rejecting any appearances. And now notice the state of your mind. Notice how thoughts and emotions and memories arise and pass. And in the same way, do not grasp, do not get attached to these thoughts, do not reject them. Just be present, aware, and continue relaxing with each out breath a little bit more. Relaxing without effort, just allowing your body and mind to rest. And now continue, if you wish, just present or focusing on the sensations of the breath throughout your body or in the area of the abdomen. Especially if you are agitated and distracted, focus on the area of the abdomen or all the body and continue relaxation. But if you feel sleepy, drowsy, with lack of clarity or dullness, then focus on the sensations of the breath at the nostrils, cultivating vividness, focus, presence, being lucid and awake. And in this way, let's balance our attention, and you find that flow in which you can remain present, relaxed, without distraction, without sinking. Then just rest there and flow. Go with the flow. Noticing the breath, but without controlling it. And let's dedicate this practice so that we can continue gaining understanding and wisdom, and that we can go in that direction for the benefit not only of ourselves, but for the benefit of all sentient beings that we encounter in our path, in our way. And then slowly open your eyes and stretch a little bit. Move, yawn if you need, and come back.